In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a click to email link to button in Elementor Wordpress. So in order to do that, first head over to elementor.com and click onto this get started option right here in order to create an account, or click onto this login option in order to log into one. So we will use as well WordPress to host our Elementor. So make sure to create an account on WordPress, yes. So click onto this get started as well, our login option that we can see right here. Now, here is our actual Elementor editor inside WordPress. So in this case, let's head over and click on this plus icon and then search in here for button. Here it is right here. Just choose where you want to put it. For example, let's put it right here into the bottom. Once you have added that particular button, they will appear right there. So what you can do is you can just head over and then choose in here the type of button you want. We can see in here default, info, success, and the likes. So for this case, what you can do is you can just modify right here the actual text option first. So instead of click here, let's input right here email us. Once you have added that, you can set the link field to your actual email. So for this case, head over and input right here mail to. You can input that right there. You can also remove in here the hash code. And once you have added right here your mail to, you just need to head over and add in here next your actual email. So let me input that right there. And once you have done that, you can actually see it right there. So you can also change the style if you would want and change its advanced option. Once you're done with everything, you can head over and click on publish option right here in order to save the changes that you have on your actual Elementor. So when users actually click on this, they will be redirected to their email app with our actual email address pre-filled using that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.